A practical in theater usually refers to any item that exists in the real world. These items are simple enough to fake on stage and replace with a visually similar item, but an item becomes a practical when a real or functioning version is used on stage. For example, a set designer may incorporate a sink into a scene set in a kitchen. It could be just for aesthetics, but if it has a faucet that turns on and water flows, it would be considered a practical sink. When thinking about this from a lighting perspective, a practical could be anything that lights up and actually does so during the production. A chandelier, a lit torch, a desk lamp, a wall sconce, a fire pit, a laptop or cell phone screen, even a character's costume could include lighting practicals. And while practicals are usually supported with additional lighting systems to increase their effect on stage, we can incorporate those relatively inexpensive light sources as additional functional lighting for the performers on stage. And while practicals are usually left to the set designer to choose and the lighting designer to light, getting involved in the collaboration early with your knowledge of lighting could really help improve all aspects of the production. Flashlights are a versatile practical that have been successfully incorporated into theatrical productions for years. They can be used to direct the audience's attention, are easy to turn on and off, create a very mysterious feel when used alone or with haze, and can be focused on performers to create valuable face light or focus when needed. I also love flashlights because they come in a number of shapes, sizes, and qualities of light. And they are very easy to gel quickly to get a completely different color, or a whole range of colors. Desk and floor lamps also make for fantastic practicals for additional lighting in a pinch. These can be turned on by actors on stage in a very realistic way, but can also be controlled by running the plug through an extension cable and then into a surge-protected power strip into the wall outlet when no board is available. Then, these can be operated by a stage manager or even cued actor or crew member turning the power strip on or off. In regards to the quality of light with one of these practical lamps, it usually depends on the bulb you have in it, as attaching gel safely to these types of lights could be tricky or dangerous depending on what your practical is. Clip lights are another one of my favorite lighting sources for additional light on stage. Clip lights usually include a reflector to focus the light somewhat, a clip to hang it overhead, and often the bulb is seated deeper than the reflector, so these can often have gel safely taped over the frame to create new colors.